Company abediache Kamala Harris said in a probo akwakopiem ewo edna eye Cape Coast no ankasa edenani akwakoshe Cape Coast Castle honom na de wahunu ne de watie no ehu hia se ensam ne yesa ka ne biem kwan a yede wo mofa so ade wo mepi America no ono ate ne ho ase enyeyi eno no Adom Kasee de akire binti yeto so
US mampanyina abediache Kamala Harris ebepie mu oman Ghana mu no baby baako a odi na ni kire ye ansana wo fra man yi mu akọ eye Cape Coast Castle ebra wo koduru ho no wo hye emiam ya wodo aye nananom ekọ nkwaso mu a wode won firi honom ekọ America na era Kamala Harris editu dwase ewo se bra ye nananom ebra ye wo oman Ghana mu no etimi eche sansem yi ema afoforo nso ete ebra wo koduru ye no wo ne Cape Coast man hene osabari makosiata etwetwe enkomo nana editu nanim se ade baako esi wani so ene se obeye museum kese ewo Cape Coast senti wo hye kwan se wode won krata asem nyina ba beto mampanyina bedi chire anim ono so ede ne mo aka ho bi
speaker visit to concretize what we are talking about so that Cape Coast will also be strong. There is a plan to build a slavery museum and we want you to be part of that museum.
And wechi era Kamala Harris editu dwase ojidi ye pa sa wo mu ekonkwaso mu no ofa eyaw mu enso wonjidi ama wo mu enje mu da senti ombra wo bra ye no ewo se wo mu a enima bakosem etimi eka ema enchirima eti ase na sansemi eyense na ho ema obibia ehunu bra enkwasom edi oman Ghana efa mu ene kwan ye wo fa so enya fa hodie ene atentene ne ewo mayim mu
before they were then forcibly taken on a journey thousands of miles from their home to be sold by so-called merchants and taken to the Americas, to the Caribbean, to be an enslaved people. All these stories must be told in a way that we take from this place the pain we all feel, the anguish that reeks from this place, and we then carry the knowledge that we have gained here toward the work that we do in lifting up all people.
Reggae musician ya Dindi Rocky Dawuni din samu tudwa afa US ne Ghana ya yonkofa no wo kire mu ese enya yonkofa ebeboa yen ene ebibra mamu ekwan paso a yen nyina yebete ye ho ase de nti emo no de na dwenkyira bai Adom TV etwaso
enipa dodo a ekotwahia mu ewo Black Star Center no pese wo kotie ensam a US mampanyina beduache Kamala Harris ewo de mo manfo no reggae nyumtoni Rocky Dawuni enso ekohobi oni Adom Kasee etwetwe enkomo editu dwase nani eso ayonkofa sese eda Ghana ene US aban no entem
etini yameti ene say or say or can about new partnership. And I may so say the importance of partnership ne say I will say partnership it has to be mutually beneficial. So it's good to hear the word partnership, but in the long run we have to make sure say partnership no embe in a situation whereby you go back to the old ways, whereby you say many of those economic partnerships that our nations and our people went in it was not beneficial to us as a people.
US ene Ghana ban ewa yonkofa ewo sikasemu bambosemu ene amamopemu senti Rocky Dawuni etoto sere US mpanimfo se free nekure one Ghana ban ensa woso mu no wo maparepare ye ene di ewo mu
obekasa na se okasa wa hanu ba bia ye gi ye fa hodie hanu eye asase kronkron so ehu enti na mesumi ba say ahanu okay enti asema obeka bia no e wo say yehu say asema the future has to the future will have to judge to see say whatever was spoken here was the truth and has come to pass.
Ampanyina beduache ya wo US abochimemu asese wa bepie mu Ghana wode aprobo no abawiye no wo hye kwan se one Ghana nkita hudie ene edwadie no ebetimi atere akọ wiase afa na nyina.